So today, our theme for the month is focus. Last month was vision. And I wanted to talk briefly about focusing further, and then we're going to do a little bit of a longer meditation. I believe one of the most powerful tools to keep us focused on our vision, focused on what is ours to do, is to spend time in our spiritual practice. Now, that's not the only thing to do, because if we only do that, we don't get much done and we don't go anywhere. But we have to come back to that to continue to be in clarity, to make sure that we're not being led by an unhealthy level of ego that's saying, I need to do the thing because this is what I need to do because I'll have, fame or fortune or respect or whatever it is. So we come back to our spiritual practice to remind us of why we have the vision we have, to co-create a world that works for all, to find harmony in our hearts, to find peace in our world. I hope these are the reasons we do what we do. And so our meditation practice is very important, and our other spiritual tools are very important in helping us stay tuned into and knowing those things. I imagine focus being like, a snow globe. When you shake it up, you can't see anything. Our meditation practice is like setting the snow globe down and letting all the thoughts and the chaos settle. And then from there, the wisdom of whatever our next steps, the wisdom of who we are to be arises. It emerges. It was there all along. We couldn't see it because of all the chaos. And then once we see, we have to act. So there's that. But today, we're about focus. And so with that introduction, we will move into our meditation time. And I invite you to get settled. Allow your body to be in a comfortable position. If you notice you're clenching a muscle, sometimes your shoulders get up against your ears, just let them rest. If you feel like closing your eyes or choosing a soft focus, and allowing each breath to draw you deeper into the truth of who you are. Allowing thoughts or distractions or to-do lists to gently settle. So you continue to open your heart to the wisdom of spirit within you. allowing each breath to settle further. Returning our focus to our center, to God and Spirit by whatever name. I invite you to breathe in this affirmation, and you may even speak it aloud if you wish. I am light, and love is my holy purpose. I am light, and love is my holy purpose. I am light, and love is my holy purpose. From this place, we gently notice, without judgment, without making big plans. We just simply notice whatever arises in us. I am light, and love is my holy purpose. We are light, and love is our holy purpose. Allow that feeling of love and light to fill your being, fill your heart. With each breath, let it permeate every cell. Imagine this love that is filling each of us, spreading with each person, creature that we encounter. And just take a few more deep breaths, feeling the peace, the connection, the interconnection of this moment. Surrounding those we care about in this love and light energy. Surrounding people who make decisions that affect others' lives in this love and compassion energy. So we start to bring our attention back to our space, feeling that love feeling through the body one more time, bringing back any thoughts, any wisdom, anything to bring with us through our day, our week, our life. Breathing in peace, breathing out love. I am light, and love is my holy purpose. And so we begin to bring our meditation time to a close. Maybe you wiggle your fingers or toes, stretch. Take a few nice deep breaths, becoming more aware of the body, more aware of the environment. Or just open the eyes if you so desire. So it is.